It's a fun joke. It's a fun joke. It's a fun joke. Are you sure you're ready for this?
I am.
Are you sure?
I am.
She wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
They're gonna be calling my name, ayy. They're gonna be calling my name, ayy. They're gonna be calling my name, whoa.
And we back with another video. It's your boy Kayzano and I'm here with
Mama Kayz.
Hey yo, so today I had to bring my special guest back for another video since everyone liked it in the last one. So today she's gonna be reacting to, as you already know, it's about Choga. I'm sure everyone wants to see a reaction on this one. So he recently dropped a video on Pindikiti. One moment, have you ever heard of Choga?
No, I don't even know him.
Okay, let me tell you. Choga is basically the future of Zim dancer.
Okay.
Oh, that's what people are saying. So I can't say anything more. I can't say anything less. You're just gonna have to see by yourself.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Are you guys ready? Alright. Without further ado, let's get straight to the video. Yes, sir. Are you sure you're ready for this?
I am.
Are you sure?
I am.
It's a fun Choga.
What does that mean?
It's a fun Choga.
What does that mean?
Does it like here?
Oh.
His name is Choga.
Alright.
It's a fun choker. Never come and have a fancy. Sitting down, Kayzano, Pindikiti, Pindikiti. That is what I'm getting Pindikiti.
So what is that?
No, yeah, the beat is good. I enjoyed the beat.
Cool. What about everything else?
Mkoma now Choga anonga pereba.
It's a Choga.
Apererwa chona baby.
Apira should be.
Saga, he wants that girl.
It's a Choga. But what do you think? What do you think of Choga himself?
He's full of energy. And
do you like him?
No, I think I do. Appearance, yes, it might not be that good, but the energy that he has is full of energy.
It's a Choga. It's a Choga. It's a Choga. Alright. So we've come to the end of the reaction. Thank you guys for watching this long. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you want to see more of my mom, Mama Kayz, comment down below. She's gonna read the comments. I think next video. Do you want to read the comments right now? The last video.
No, next one.
She read. So this video, comment down below. She's gonna read all the comments. Once again, please like, share, and subscribe. It's your boy Kayzano, and I'm here with
Mama Kayz.
Hey yo. Alright, if you've gotten this far, thank you very much for watching the video. So basically what's gonna be happening in this giveaway is all you have to do is comment. Really, all you have to do is comment the video. I know you guys watch the whole video just to hear that, but then yeah, all you have to do is like, comment, and share with a friend. The number of times you comment, the higher your chance of winning. Simple rules. Winners will be chosen at random, and so please guys, please participate. If you're not doing for yourself, do it for someone you actually love or like, or you're trying to impress, and we'll just deliver it to them. So the prizes are gonna be the two winners. The two winners. The first winner is gonna win a dozen cupcakes, and the second winner is gonna win 6 cupcakes. Half a dozen. So flavor of your choice, icing of your choice. Why not? It's just commenting and sharing with the friends. That's all we ask for. And contact details be down below in the description. Away. Thank you guys for watching. It's your boy Kayzano. See you in the next video.
Good vibes, energy. I don't let what they say get to me. Two sides, symmetry. After this, no one a threat to me. They're gonna be calling my name, ayy. They're gonna be calling my name, ayy. They're gonna be calling my name, whoa. They're gonna be, yeah.